Where does Treehouse Life build? Quite simply, wherever your vision takes us. From private estates in the English countryside to luxury resorts in Hawaii, from desert canyons in the Middle East to forest landscapes across Europe, North America, and beyond. Treehouse Life operates on a truly global scale. Our teams are experienced in delivering world-class projects across continents, traveling seamlessly to remote, complex, and often sensitive environments where traditional construction simply cannot operate. Every project begins the same way, with a location, a landscape, and a vision. Because no two sites are ever the same. Each tree, each terrain, each environment presents its own unique set of challenges. That's why every structure we create is entirely bespoke, designed in harmony with nature, and engineered specifically for its setting. From family gardens to international landmarks, from intimate retreats to large-scale visitor attractions, we design, deliver, and install complete projects worldwide, managing everything from concept through to final build. Logistics, transport, and installation are handled with precision, ensuring your project arrives exactly as intended, wherever you are in the world. So whether your dream sits in a quiet woodland, a coastal resort, or a far-reaching corner of the globe, we'll meet you there, and together we'll build something extraordinary.